Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT PYQs. Under this initiative, I am going to discuss each and every PYQ asked in CSAT paper in the past 10 years. So in this class, we are going to discuss question asked in CSAT paper 2024. The question is, what is the least possible number of cuts? Possible number of cuts required to cut a cube into 64 identical pieces. So ये cube है उसको 64 identical pieces में काटना है. So what is the least possible number of cuts required? ठीक है वो पूछा है. So if we see, we need to cut a cube into 64 pieces. 64 identical pieces, right? So we see 64 is equal to n cube. Under cubes concept, we discussed like 64 is equal to n cube. So n cube 64 आना है तो so n will be 4. So n is equal to 4. 64 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. So that is 64. So n ka value is 4, right? So now, if we see n ka value is 4, that means, right, there are 64 cubes and identical cubes and a value of n is 4. So like this, say, here, number of cubes here is, see, value is 4 cube. So n is equal to 4. So here we have 64 cubes, right? So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 cubes in first layer, 16 in second layer, 16 in third layer, and 16 in fourth layer. So total 16 into 4 is 64 cubes. So अब 64 cubes है. अब देखो, अब n is equal to 4 का we are getting 64 identical cubes. So now question is how many cuts we need to make. So for 64 cubes we need to make cuts like see horizontally, जैसे x axis में we need to make one cut. ठीक है, इसको horizontally एक cut, then second cut and third cut. ठीक है, for 3 cuts we will get 4 layers, right? So x axis में we will make 3 cuts. And similarly, जैसे y axis में we will make see 1 cut, 2 cut, 3 cut. So y axis में we will make 3 cuts. And similarly, जैसे इधर देखो z axis में 1, 2 and 3 cuts. So total 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9 cuts. So total 9 cuts we need to make to get 64 identical cubes, right? जैसे क्यूब है, right? So इसको ऐसा 1, 2, 3 cuts लगाया तो we'll get 4, like जैसे एक लाइन है. So if we make one cut, so we'll get 2 pieces, right? 1 piece and 2 pieces. So cut is 1, right? So if we make 2 cuts, we'll get 1, 2 and 3 pieces. So if we make 3 cuts, that is 1, 2, 3 cuts, we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, right? So 64 के लिए अब देखो हमें 3 cuts horizontal लगाना है, ठीक है? So 3 cuts x axis पे, 3 cuts y axis पे and 3 cuts z axis पे, we'll get 9 cuts. So when n is 4, ठीक है? So जब n is equal to 4 है, so cuts will be n minus 1. So that is 3 cuts along the axis. So x axis में 3, y axis में 3 and z axis में 3. So that will be total 9 cuts. So now let's say see here for this cube, let's understand this comprehensively. Okay, for one cube, so n is equal to 1, right? N is equal to 1, so we have one cube. Then here n is equal to 2. So 2, when n is equal to 2, so total cubes we will get is what? 2 cube, that is n cube. So 2 cube is 8. So पूरा 8 cubes identical cubes चाहिए. So हम कितने x axis पे 1 cut लगाएंगे, n minus 1 cut. So n minus 1, so that is 1. So x axis पे 1 cut लगाएंगे, right? Then y axis पे 1 cut here and z axis पे here 1 cut. So total 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 cuts, right? And similarly, अब n is equal to 3 here, n is equal to 3. So we'll make n minus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 cuts. And so अब देखो cuts. See, 1 cut, 2 cuts, then 3 cuts, 4 cuts, 5 cuts, and 6 cuts. So total 6 cuts will get 27 cubes. Up count cubes count karo, right? See, if you count the cubes, see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So 9 अब 3 layers है, ठीक है? 9 into 3 is 27. So similarly, when n is equal to 4, so we get n minus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 along x-axis, 3 along y-axis, and 3 along z-axis, right? So total we'll get 9 cuts, right? So this is the explanation of this question, right? So if you like this video, see, we have entire CSAT FIT course available, right? You see, under this CSAT FIT course, I have discussed each and every important topic of UPSC. So it contains all maths, reasoning, and reading comprehension classes. Once you watch all the classes of CSAT FIT course, then you no need to watch any other video on CSAT, right? All the PYQs will be covered. All the important topics required for CSAT course will be covered under the course, right? So you can click on the link given in the description of this video, then you can buy the course. It is of very minimal cost as per the market standards. It will really help you with your CSAT paper. See, that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye.